le channel ndatsho ngisaqala umbona umjida. Sometimes ngiyakwazi uyibona iplayer bafethu, nani I'm sure bafethu babukele apha uyakwazi uyibona iplayer nje first touch, qala uyibona idlala, uyaqala uyibona nje first touch, i-touch yayo, i-turn yayo, uyibona bayajonga iplayer le. uMarigo nambona first day, qala umbona bayowajonga intswempu lena. Majida, enkosi ngibuyela ke-channel. First friendly game, Orlando Pirates, South African champions, 1-1 against Spanish team, Spanish Segunda Division team, Cordoba. 1-1 score kulo match bafethu. I-goal scorer Orlando Pirates, equalizer iza from Uboyitumelo Radiopane. Apha kule game, coach Abdeslam Wadu uqale nge-players eziyi-3 i-debut yazo in the first starting lineup. I-defense uSibangani Zulu usuka ke-Richards Bay, uGampane Lungu udlale as a-winger usuka kisiwelele, plus on the wing i-new player suka i-DDC Umpho Phadime. Ezo players yi-3 beziki-starting lineup. Apha kule game both i-Pirates ne-Cordoba bezisherisha i-dominance ze-game, but generally ki-first half most i-chances bezicreate i-Cordoba. Orlando Pirates be under pressure for most of the half. Ki-first half Cordoba created 3 chances ki-first half. I-defense Orlando Pirates binyanzelekile mayidefende, yadefenda. Ki-first half oyena muntu bengathi Orlando Pirates ebeyimele bafethu and he was the leader bengu-Patrick Masangwanye, binyanzelekile Majida, ebeyinxibe ne-captain's armband. He was fighting for Orlando Pirates. I-Pirates be-dominator completely phaa center, phaa emqeni. uSimphiwe Selepe bestruglisha umjida, but then uMasangwanye wadropa deep kakhulu futhi. Creative play phana from deep in the number 6, number 8 role. Usuka number 10 ke lo mntu. Bedriver nebhola forward, dlala i-long balls, shaya necorner. Bengekho perfect ke naye umjida, benazi nesikhathi be-frustrator, maka kakubi, wenza i-fouls unnecessary, utyhala abantu yonke la way. But ukwazile uMajida wavusa, but umjida bewavusa amajida like a senior player. Pirates bevalwe completely ki-wings bafethu. Right back na left back bezingakwazi ukwenza nix, plus ne-wingers zingakwazi ukwenza nix. And then iyona player iyashine for Orlando Pirates ki-first half bafethu, Abdullahi Mariko waseMali. Player leya bafethu, i-talented, exciting umjida on the ball, very very technical umjida, i-touch yakhe, i-turn yakhe. La mntu udlala ngathi ngo-South Africa la mntu lowa, umnandi qha u-Abdullahi Mariko. If kudala le channel ndatsho ngisaqala umbona umjida. Sometimes ngiyakwazi uyibona iplayer bafethu, nani I'm sure bafethu babukele apha uyakwazi uyibona iplayer nje first touch, qala uyibona, uyaqala uyibona idlala, uyaqala uyibona nje first touch, i-touch yayo, i-turn yayo, uyibona bayajonga iplayer le. uMarigo nambona first day, qala umbona bayowajonga intswempu lena. So impressile kakhulu umjida ki-first half. It was very exciting. It was the only spark yena. uMasangwanye yena all he was doing was fighting umjida. Otherwise equality ki-Pirates first half ibize from uMarigo. Yona biggest disappointment kancane ki-first half binguSimphiwe Selepe, but ke siyamazi uNtswempu uzawubounce back aphinda be-grand le season and wenzeliwe ku-second half. Talking about the second half bafethu, after imatch iphele 0-0, Orlando Pirates i-substitutes zayo, i-new signings zafika zatshintsha i-game bafethu. On the left flank, i-left back bafethu uNeo Rapoho plus noBohlale Ngwato zoyithusiwa ki-Celtic. Fike amajida atshintsha i-game for Orlando Pirates, afike amajida atshintsha i-game i-Orlando Pirates. Combination play, interchange, i-passing patterns zaba-grand amajida zi-confident zoyithuke, and wesi zingqeqe zoyi-2, but amajida zivele zaba-confident phana ingathi ajonga zexesha lazo za-out njengoba zimfitshane. Eza players ze-Spain zinazo ne-height physicality, ajonga uNgwato plus noRapoho ba-impressile amajida, i-touches zabo, confidence, bashaya ne-crosses ezi-grand amajida, bane-confident, bafuna ushaya ne-free kicks ne-corner. Very very impressed ngoRapoho plus noNgwato amajida. Izoba zii-players to watch for Orlando Pirates. Bazibonakalisile in the first game against i-opponents zase-Spain. Orlando Pirates dominated from the first minute second half until the 60th minute. Apho Orlando Pirates yenza i-changes, yenza 7 changes, and obviously izawutshintsha i-game, and obviously izawutshintsha i-tempo ye-game xa wenza 7 substitutes. But izinto zakhona bafethu i-friendly lena, i-fitness, it's all about yona. I-practice match lena. Orlando Pirates yaluza i-momentum after idominate kakhulu thanks to Rapoho plus noNgwato. Le dominance futhi incede namanye amajida in the central midfield. uSimphiwe Selepe wavuka, uMarigo waqhubekeka lento beqalile ku-second half. But after the 7 changes, Orlando Pirates yaluza i-tempo ne-momentum. And just a few minutes later, i-loose ball outside i-box Orlando Pirates, Cordoba yashaya inet, i-volley past uSipho Chayini. Another player bafethu impressive bafethu first half ndilibele. Now that ngithetha ngoChayini, i-goalkeeper Orlando Pirates Siyabonga Dladla, very impressive bafethu. Umchita umnandi enyaweni, umchita very good on the ball, very composed, foot under pressure, left foot, short pass, long pass, very grand umchita. And impressed ngoSiyabonga Dladla. Umchita ngoku uzaba number 2 Orlando Pirates bafethu behind uChayini, especially ngoku umkile mos uButhelezi ayile ibambile position ka number 2 Orlando Pirates. Siyabonga Dladla. And then coming back to second half bafethu Orlando Pirates khange iphinde be grand ke ngoku after enzela 7 changes in the 62nd minute. Amachita ba under pressure, but it was time for Orlando Pirates again to defend. And when it was time to defend, Orlando Pirates defend bafethu. Sometimes we team grand ubanaso ispark in midfield nake attack, but kufika amaxesha apha egaming ba okay ngoku can you defend Orlando Pirates defend bafethu. Inye players stand out but la defense is-2 bafethu, actually players i-2 Kamohelo Sebelebele befaka ibhathu ba bezikhaba ezia. And then another player bafethu benza debut yayo, a youngster from DDC, was impressive fight central defense. Christian Derbyshire be grand umchita phana, very vocal, be in command, khomba pa umchita ngathi ayo youngster. Alert, composed, like bonisa timing a grand. So yeah, I was impressed with the Christian Derbyshire pana. Sebelebele standing out back second half. And then the goalie Pirates Kabu Tumelo Radiopani is there from nothing bafethu. Orlando Pirates be under pressure ngezazikhathi against a run of play. Pirates be pressure high, leng Radiopani pressure la keeper vele slide ibhola yangena nethini uzibona za goal bafethu. Keeper kangathi wenze mistake, uyawa press ngokapha, and then it's a striker si slide ibhola ingene nethini. Orlando Pirates abeyithola equalizer yayo ke ngoku. After that Orlando Pirates athola i-chances ezi-2 bafethu ezi-grand. Was Mesa uThepang Moremi bafethu, was Mesa wachitha Rice Santini uThepang Moremi bafethu. Orlando Pirates ibithole i-chance yoshaya igoli esibini nesithathu bafethu, ibisenoma ngo-3-1 lo bafethu if uThepang Moremi ibiyimini yakhe umchita. Sometimes uyascora i-goals but namhlanje iwamesa umchita. At least saqala isizini seyi-pre-season bafethu, ungaphosa i-goals ngoku i-pre-season, but xa sefike isikhathi bafethu ingu-August qala i-business afunekanga phose goals, ungaziphosa goals ngoku. So yeah, Orlando Pirates first game yayo bafethu 1-1 against Cordoba yase Spain. Next game Pirates bafethu Friday against another Spanish club, this time Granada. Granada I think idlala kwi-top division, if not be relegated last season kodwa, but it's a bigger club Granada bafethu. I'm sure nayazi la gama lakhona Granada. So Pirates abadlala nalamachita Friday ngo-7 late. Otherwise, nazo bafethu first friendly game Orlando Pirates. Best players impressed the most bafethu Abdullahi Mariko, goalkeeper Siyabonga Dladla, Neo Rapoho, Bohlale Ngwato, Christian Derbyshire central defense, noKamohelo Sebelebele bafethu. Orlando Pirates sayibona kule season izakwenza ntoni. Izoba i-big season bafethu for Orlando Pirates lena. Umuntu uzofuna uwisa iBuccaneer bafethu, i-defending champions the league, defending champions the MTN 8, defending champions the Carling Knockout. So they're going to be the team to beat bafethu. But Orlando Pirates, as things stand, as we're looking at them ngoku, bazokwazi rise to the occasion bafethu. Otherwise namhlanje ngelishwa first half amachita bepap Westpar in front bafethu. Front line Orlando Pirates ibibheda namhlanje amachita xa befumene izpaces bengekho coordination tu machita, kungekho complementary runs, kungekho combination play, but ke ngamachita angazaniyo lawa bafethu. Istriker ibingumbuthuma, and then emasayidini ko umpophatime plus noGampani Lungu. Awubantu zange badlala kunye nesystem Orlando Pirates basayifunda. So masibaxolele kwangoku bafethu. Otherwise that is it bafethu. Orlando Pirates 1 Cordoba 1 bafethu. Masiphinda sihlangane kwenye video. Ngicela ngalibala bafethu usupport ichannel ngo-like kanye no-subscribe. Moja bafethu.